Mga boss, walang kamalay-malay si Naoya Inoue ng Japan na may isang Pinoy pa pala ang kayang magpabagsak sa kanya sa ibabaw ng lona sa dibisyon niya. Napakalakas nito, napakatindi ng ating boksingero. Halos matigok lahat ng kalaban sa lakas ng ating kababayan. Bukod kay Cuadro Alas, Janrel Casimero, ay mayroon pang isang Pinoy na boksingero na talaga namang kinatakutan ni Naoya Inoue ng bansang Japan. Siya ang pinakamalakas na bagitong Pinoy na boksingero. Napakatindi nito, sinakop niya ang buong United Kingdom. Knockout lahat ng kalaban, speed, power, timing, footwork at killer instinct. Lahat ay pinagsama-sama na sa batang Pinoy na ito. Kaya ang ending, palakpakan at napahanga si Babarom at buong Europa sa galing ng batang Pinoy na ating bida. At dahil sa husay niya makipaglaban sa ibabaw ng lona, na in love sa kanya ang isa sa pinakasikat at pinakamagandang ringer ni Ed Hearn at sa buong Europa, ang model at ringer na si Macy Wallace. Talaga namang higit pa sa nanalo sa loto ang ating boksingero.
Parang neneng di ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mo. Subscribe.
Si Thomas Whelan o mas kilala bilang Tom Whelan ay ang tinaguriang The Atomic Bomb ng United Kingdom. Dugong Pinoy ang boxer na ito. Ang kanyang ina ay isang Pilipino na galing ng Cebu at ang kanyang ama ay taga United Kingdom. Ang boxer na ito ay lumaban sa Olympic para sa gintong medalya at ang Pilipinas ang kanyang nerepresenta. Sino ba naman ang hindi magiging halimaw sa ibabaw ng lona? Grabing pagsasanay at disiplina ang pinagdaanan niya, kaya bagsak lahat ng kalaban sa kamao niya. Speed, power, timing at killer instinct, halos lahat na yata ng katangian ng isang complete boxer ay nasa kanya na, kaya kinatakutan ito ngayon sa buong Europa. Ang una niyang nakalaban, si Francisco Rodriguez ng Espanya. Napakalakas nito at aggressive boxer pa, pero round 4 lang palang itatagal nito sa ating bida. Round number 1, grabing solidong mga kamao at
Tricks here, Barry.
Yeah, Wellens come on for that, but apart from that, he's the
Four as well.
number 4, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Unlimited body punch and head punch combination ang pinakawala ng ating kababayan. Ang bumugbog sa husto sa pambato ng United Kingdom, kaya naging bagong kampiyon na ngayon ang ating kababayan. Sa impresibong panalo ng ating pambato, habang nanunood ng laban ay na-inlove sa ating bida ang isa sa pinakamagandang ringer na diwata na si Macy Wallace ng Matchroom Promotion, at sa ring walkout ay ine-escort pa ang ating boksingero ng diwatang ito. Sumunod niyang nakalaban ay si Esteban Trox ng Panama. Napakatangkad nito, powerhouse at mukhang halimaw talaga, pero round 2 lang pala siya sa ating bida. Round number 1, gigil na gigil ang matangkad na kalaban na pabagsakin ng ating kababayan, pero maingat po ang ating pambato at binugbog ang kalaban nito.
Very good.
Oh, he certainly has. It'll be a good fight tonight.
It looks so loose and that jab. He's one of those amateurs, Priya, who always had a
His opponent's down. He edges his feet in, but he knows work as well.
from Welland. Church, by the way, very, very deep already in his first fight outside Panama, and again that slashing right hand to the body and then a
In behind the jab and land.
Welland said he had to throw his shorts away. Closing 10 seconds then of a very impressive opening round, and again he slashes to the body of Trutch. Huge right to the head and then a right cross, great power from Welland.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ng ating pambato ang paghihirap ng matangkad na kalaban nito. 2 beses itong babagsak at tuluyang mawawasak sa ating boksingero.
Very, very quickly. This just his third There's a lot to like about the foot movement as well of Welland. Gets himself in and out of range.
Power in those shots.
Trutch tried to land a massive overhand right there. Another huge booming right hand, and then follows that with a right cross to the jaw. And that work to the body. I know it's only a 4-rounder, but it may yet pay dividends. All the time.
Coming out of the nose of Trutch. I think Welland's looking to stop this.
He's game, and he's brave. But Welland moves forward again with purpose. The referee's having a long look now. The legs are unsteady. Another booming right hand. How much more of this does Trutch need to take? Welland landing with impunity, and finally the referee does.
Sumunod niyang nakalaban sa bansang United Kingdom ay si Darwin Martinez ng bansang Nicaragua. Napakalaki nito at pinabagsak rin lahat ng nakalaban niya, pero round 2 lang din siya sa ating bida.
Come along, watching on his sister Ella, Tom Welland, Atomic Tom, 5-0 coming into this. Darwin Martinez, man that we should remember, is still only 20 years of age.
Attacks edge, coming to takes his feet out.
And from Martinez, interesting to see Welland using that jab to the body. Nicaragua.
See for what?
Tom Welland with his hands full here, falls short with that right hand.
Good footwork there from Martinez, skipping all the distance.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. 3 beses babagsak ang pambato ng Nicaragua mula sa ating bida.
The real live wire of an opponent here. Welland again, dipping the legs, this time throwing that jab to the body, the background.
Little feint with the feet there from Welland. Finish or two on that right hand when he throws it. Just brings out that hand, and Welland made him pay with a left hook. He'll take the step back, roll underneath. Martinez can throw that shot.
Martinez down! He wanted a blessing, come to him, and ready to continue. MVP had a long look there, but Welland now with a scent of victory in his nostrils, a dramatic stoppage on terrestrial television. In front of him, left to the body from Welland. Another combination left him to the Martinez blows into life. But to continue. MVP lets him. 50 seconds to go in the round. Here comes Welland again. A nightmare for Darwin Martinez. Welland with another long right hand. Pounding in these punches now. Martinez on shaky legs. Surely another one will do it.
Dahil sa sunod-sunod na panalo ay pinalaban ng ating pambato sa little brother ni Terence Crawford ng South Africa. Si Michael Romabilitsa ay may halimaw na kartada, pero katulad ng iba, round 5 lang din ang itinagal niya sa ating bida. Round number 1, malapalos ang pambato ng Africa, pero pinag-aralan talaga ni Kabayan ang bawat galaw nito sa laban.
A sense that he really wants to get after handicap. Barry, you've seen plenty of him for fight. Last April was a real kind of important turning point in this stage of, all of his opponents have hit the deck one way and when to attack, and we've really seen that quite impressive.
The course of the afternoon, and you don't want to make them realise.
A nice good first round here for Welland. Nice good start, control, picking his punches really well and hands.
Lovely uppercut right in
Sa round number 2, kuha na ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kalaban, kaya kontrolado na niya ang takbo ng laban.
set up the knockdown. So he's learning speed of improvement.
Get close to the target.
Letty came out a little bit more aggressive because he probably can afford to allow Welland to pitch can get it. And it
To Rocky Balboa, you wondered what happened in those. They both missed, but the speed of Welland.
Shown a few little times there in this round. He's shown why he can potentially that. Oh, good left hook.
Got him. Did he get him off balance or did he wobble him? Goes after him.
Oh,
It's the end.
temple shot. He's unsteady legs.
And goes after him again. Wicked right hand.
Round number 3, hawak na ng ating pambato ang beat sa laban na ito. Bugbog sarado na ang Afrikanong boksingero.
It felt like the end of the round was there and just left him.
Infer, suggest, state that he
Put the guy under pressure straight away, showing that, you haven't got me, but he has to, throws a punch. Wellens look at it and then react.
and the impress almost caught with a counter, but he clocks Ramabalek. And then in purchase on it as he has to, but some heavy shots getting through.
Oh, it's nice. I see that well, and
And Andy Ramabalek has been with this young gun.
He's going to have a say in it. If he's going to be competitive, then he's got to try and step to Welland and do him some damage.
Can't miss him with the right hand.
Sa round number 4, wasak na rin ang pagmumukha ng Afrikanong kalaban. Halatang hirap na siya sa lakas timing footwork ng ating kababayan.
nightmare. That's lovely work again. That all the time, he changes the levels. He just sat down. That's all he.
It's in the second half of the round, I think, that things are going to get hot. He's picked his punches well, but he showed good patience because Ramabalek's now right on the nose and he needs to do some proper punching to keep him on.
Tonight.
Well, we talk about technique, don't we? Quite turns. It was just so quick, but it's perfect technique. And every now and again, he lifted it as well to give it a more of a.
There's the right hand again. Oh, lovely little body shot, wicket.
And also, you evade a lot of shots from that. Oh, lovely.
Round number 5, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang kalaban niyang Afrikano. Brutal knockout stoppage ang sasapitin nito mula sa ating pambato.
Look how direct he is with his punches, though. Everything, he makes sure.
Prospects, and this is a young man who is getting into good.
Hold him back. He's only 20, but a few levels right now.
Previous round, although he was well on top of Ed Welland, Ramabalek's probably had the best round.
The fighter's mind, and if you're Ramabaleksa, oh, he's just been clipped with a left hook there. The speed, the blurring speed, another left hand. Maybe winning seems perhaps far-reached, far-fetched at this stage.
Again, the angles of the shots. So he rolled well there, Ramabaleksa.
Oh,
Shot.
bit.
Oh.
Can miss it. But Andy's right. That's what fans are now thinking. Can you close the show? That's what the media, the pundits are thinking. Can you close the show? Looks like he might. Referee's in.
Sumunod niyang nakalaban ay ang hari ng Tanzania, kontinente ng Afrika. Si Ali Lubanha ay ang pinakamalakas na boksingero ng Tanzania. Kinatakutan ng lahat sa lakas nito. Pero round 4 lang pala siya sa ating boksingero. Round number 1, matangkad din ang Afrikanong kalaban pero walang takot ang ating kababayan at nakipagpalitan ng suntok sa matangkad na kalaban.
Man, composed with his work. Every punch.
Yeah, absolute. But he's got his hands full tonight here with Welland. What do you make?
Typical Welland, just nice and composed. Again, he pressures you with that.
Debut here, you described it as one of the best early on in his career, but he's lost that. This is really measured. A terrific left hook to the body from Welland. As I said, a lot of opposition in small hall shows in opening round for Atomic Tom.
Sa round number 2, kuha na ng ating boksingero ang galawan ng kalaban nito kaya bugbog sarado na ang sinapit ng Afrikano.
Ceiling could be quite king. He's still working in.
Risk, and that's what he's doing here. He's not making any mistakes. Feel the pain, and then when the shots appear, he's making sure.
Flexes from Welland. Always looking for these little improvements. The uppercut
And there, just makes you forces you back.
was quite a lot. So interesting contrast for him tonight. He was caught there by that left hand from Welland. Use those long levers, but Welland's so good at getting inside. He needs to get out of this corner because this is Welland at his best. Right hook, and he left Welland. Just sensed it.
Round number 3, magaling umiwas ang ating pambato habang palaging sapul ang Afrikano. No match ang halimaw ng Afrika sa ating boksingero.
Once you get to that level, you can't go back down, and there's so much more things he has to experience and learn. There's tougher tests to wait for. Even that there, always look at the feel and the pressure. He's always aware of something. Plants it right in the centre of your stance. Forces you to react to him.
Again, Lubanja backed up here. That left hook got through. Right to the body as well from Welland. There's that left.
Understand how things works for him. Not just going through the repertoire of skills. He understands how to break you down, the process it takes. Everything's off the jab. You don't go.
Oh, superb right hand there. Straight right from Welland that he's...
Sa round number 4, dito nawawasakin ng ating pambato ang paghihirap ng Aprikano. Brutal body shot na naman. Knockout ang sasapitin nito mula sa ating pambato.
And going through what they were doing in the gym, break.
Welland wants to keep him pinned in there. Working. Again, he digs to the body and then follows it up with that straight right hand. He's up the levels again. Really imaginative punch picking here from Welland, and Lubanja is covering up. He's going to need to throw back, but he's down. It's done. And Welland goes to 8-0.
Si Tom Welland ay isa ring Pinoy na boksingero na nagpamalas ng galing at husay ng mga Pilipino sa sport na boxing sa mundo. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.